This is part 3 of my 5-inch Black & Decker teardown cleanup video series. I've laid out the assembly arrangement of the output shaft. Everything seems to be okay here except for the bearing, which is close to the gear, which goes in this end here. Here I ran into a little bit of a area where I'm having difficulty taking the spanner nut out. So I've taken a piece of raw steel, drilled it, took a couple of 1/4-inch bolts, ground the threads off with the nuts still on there so I could thread the nuts back on easily. So yeah, I made a tool to fit that. I'm going to heat this most likely in the next video, because inside here is a bearing that's at the end of the grinder shaft that is really bad. So the whole grinder won't function without changing these bearings out. So I don't know if these bearings at this point are available, but I'll give you a look at how the shaft is splined, the gear is splined, everything looks good there. Locking washer bolt that actually holds this gear on. So I hope this helps someone who's doing this design of Black & Decker grinder. I don't think they probably use this design anymore, but hopefully in the next video I will have most likely new brushes and new bearings for this. Thanks for watching this video.